I don't know why I feel like I need to clap to start these videos. That's really weird. All right, let's start again. Welcome back everyone to another video. This is part 2 of what is SpaceTraders API. My name is Mitch, I'm a software engineer, and it is another cold and wet Sunday afternoon. And so we're going to go back through SpaceTraders API, keep going through the tutorial where I left off. If you want to watch part 1, that's already up. Go through the beginning of the tutorial. We will be redoing some of that just to catch up to where we need to be. So if you don't want to watch that video, you can just watch this video. It's fine, really. So yeah, let's jump into it. Stop only. That's me. All right. This is the homepage. I thought I'd start here. So just covering off, I guess, what is SpaceTraders API. If you don't know and you just jump into this video just wanting to, I don't know. SpaceTraders API is an API-based game where you acquire and manage a fleet of ships to explore, trade, and fight your way across the galaxy. Essentially, there's a set of web APIs, and you can use your own programming languages and call these APIs and play this fleet management game. You can create UI for it, you can create a whole game around it, but essentially there's some APIs there to really help do all of the resource management for the game, and it's persisted for you and you don't have to do anything. So it's a great tool for learning a new language or just basically experimenting, just trying things out. I'm going to be programming in Python. That's the language that I want to use. I'll put all of the code up online as well on GitHub, and I'll link that down in the description. So you can all check that out if the code, if you just want to check it out later, you can. That's fine. But yeah. All right, let's jump back into the code and see where we were. Since I've commented it all out. All right, what were we doing? All right, let's just run this Python main. This just hits the API SpaceTraders v2 default endpoint, gives us a bunch of information. Let's go back to the tutorial, which has all of the nice stuff. All right, so we want to go back through this real quick. Where we got up to last time was we created a new player, got our own ship, and then we took that ship out. It was a mining drone, and we just docked that at the asteroid field. So the first thing that we want to do to get back to that point, since all of the history has been reset, because currently at this point the APIs, everything is still in an alpha stage, and so there's like weekly resets of the data. So all of this stuff is just going to get blown away. All of my stuff previously got blown away. So we need to rebuild it. So let's register a new agent again. Got all of the same code from last time. Just, what am I doing? Almost like I don't know what I'm doing. All right, let's uncomment that. And we are going to need, first of all, let's actually take that out. And yeah, what we're going to do first is register ourselves a new agent. So that's going to create ourselves a player. It's going to give us a response with an API token. And that's what I'm going to need to chuck into the secrets file that I can then use every time I need to make a call. So let's do that. Go away, rerun. All right, that looks like that succeeded. Let's just stretch that guy out. Right. I think I've gone too far. I really have. There's my token. Let's just copy that. Now, I think by the time I actually get this video out, this will probably all be gone. Well, I mean, the service will be reset, so this API token won't be worth anything to anyone. Not that I care if you jump in and use this API token, to be honest. Oh, come on. All right. I should probably just make the code smarter to just grab everything. All right, that's our API token. Agent, ID, headquarters. Now, is this different than last time? That's what I want to know. It looks like it is. So last time we were messing around. This was our headquarters. And it is now different. So if I can remember, these are coordinates, and each section is broken down to give you greater, I guess, finer location. So this is our system. Let's actually bring the docs up. So we've registered a new agent. We got our token, our starting location. So it's broken up into sector, system, and location of waypoint. So the first part is a sector, then the system, and then the waypoint that you're on. Nice. All right. So let's go through and call the same code. Sorry, I am blasting the terminal with too much information. And I'm don't need that. Cool, so that just gets me my information again. Let's go through this a bit quicker. What does this do? So this goes systems. That is now different. Oh wait, yeah, that is the new one. Wait a minute, I fucked that up. Let's chuck that into a variable so we can reuse it. So our system is x1, our sector system. All right, sector of the galaxy. That is our sector. Our system, the sector. Oh no. That is our current waypoint. Let's just do that. So let's replace, format that. That's better. Chuck our current waypoint. Nope, wrong place. There we go. Let's just drop that down so we can expand this. All right, tell me about it. So we're on a planet, overcrowded, high tech. Cool. We're just on a planet. All right. Same as last time. Nothing to see here. Moving along. We should have one contract, which is the default contract that gets given. Yep, procurement and iron ore, all good. We haven't accepted it yet. There is going to be an expiration date and a deadline to accept. I believe we should have got the money up front as well, partial money up front, and then we complete it and we'll get the rest of the money. So that is all good. All right, let us accept that contract. All right, let's be fancy. Yes, as I do more and more of these videos, the code will get more and more sophisticated. I could have actually just read some of this information from the response, but it is just quicker to just hard code it. That is the new ID. Yep, ducks. Let's run that. That is now true. All right. Let's keep moving through. All right, so this needs to be system. Cool. So this is just going to list out all of the systems, the waypoints for this current system. Is that going to blast the screen? Okay, yeah, it's a lot of information. But in here, there will be the asteroid field, I'm assuming, that we need to be going to. Actually, well, what we'll do, put in a new one. All right, asteroid field, found it. So it's in the same system. That is the waypoints coordinates. What was next? We were expected to go to the shipyard and purchase a ship. So let's update this. So this is now system. Yep. Waypoint. So we want current waypoint. Tell me your secrets. Resource with the given identifier does not exist. I mucked up. What did I muck up? System. System. Oh, wait, this is the, I'm on, okay, so I needed to use, sorry, the waypoint. What did I need to do? Do the tutorial. Right, so we've accepted our contract and we need to find a shipyard. Look for waypoint shipyard trait. So we need the shipyard waypoint symbol. Okay. Yeah, I was confused. I was just using my current waypoint, which was the planet that I'm on. Oh, I guess the docking station, right? So yeah, let's print out all of the waypoints again and grab that. Shipyard. Guess we need to go here. Orbital station. I am just curious where, oops. Type planet. This planet has some orbitals. All right. Let's grab that shipyard waypoint. Let's drop that down. Oops. Comment. All right. Let's give that a go. That's better. It's a lot of information. To the tutorial. So yeah, we listed all the waypoints and we just now viewed all of the ships. And now we need to purchase one. You can purchase a ship at a shipyard by sending a post request. And we use the shipyard waypoint symbol. So we can chuck that in there. And we're making a call to my ships, passing it in the ship data. It is a post request. Right. Scrolling back up. Sorry, folks. So this is now just printed out my agent information. I think that was my default ship. Orbital station is docked. Frame drone. Okay, that's just describing it. I just want to find. There's literally just, I don't know, but let us look for that. Reverse order. Okay, well, we've got a transaction, so timestamped. So we must have purchased it. Yeah. It's just there's so much information I'm printing to the screen. Oh, that's the purchase information. I'm going to assume that I have it. All right, the next one is actually going to print out the list of ships. So that's going to help a lot. Go away. So I have one called that. I have one called that. Need to find a easier way to actually look at this information. So what I'm going to do, so I'm just going to look in the debugger. All right. It's very small, but data. Right, so it looks like it's saying I have 3 ships. This says it has a basic mining laser, roll, excavator, satellite, command. So I have a command ship, a satellite, excavator. Huh, interesting. Okay, so I've got a command ship, which is cool. And then I've got like a reconnaissance craft, a small unmanned spacecraft used for exploration. And then we just purchased ourselves a mining drone. Yeah, that looks all good. All right, eventually I'm going to be making this actually like print pretty, and maybe I can do that in the next video, actually clean this up, and so we can actually easily see this information. I don't need you, debugger, go away. But for right now, we are just going fast and messy. All right, let's get that drone into orbit. Yeah, it's named that still, which is good. All right, so I don't have to put my command ship in orbit. I can just put my drone into orbit. No. Cool. Status is in orbit, and now we need to send it to that asteroid field, if I remember. So we purchased a ship, mine the asteroids, fly to an asteroid field. We're now in orbit. Yep, our mining ship. We need to navigate to that asteroid field waypoint symbol. So let us find that waypoint. All right, this is all of the waypoints in the system. Yep. What we want is the asteroid field, symbol. I wonder if coordinate is a better name for that rather than symbol. But I guess it is an identifier for it. Not a problem. All right, so our waypoint is this guy. Nope. So we're going to hit the navigate endpoint for our mining drone. All right, let's do it. Cool, we're in transit. Orbital station, that is where it departed. Told it to go to the asteroid field, and it will be arriving at this time. What is the time? It's like 5 minutes. Yeah, roughly. Exactly 5 minutes. Cool. And let's go to the docs. While your ship is in transit, most other requests will return an error code. Let's see that error code again. I'm just curious. Yeah. Seconds to arrival, 241. While that's traveling, let's prep ourselves. I wonder what would happen if I told it to dock. Ship is currently in transit. Cool. So get a similar error message. All right, while that is traveling, let's take a look at the documentation and figure out what we're doing next. So we're going to be docking our ship. So we've pretty much gotten to the end of where we were in part 1. We've created ourselves an agent, we've bought ourselves a ship, accepted a contract, and started sending that mining drone out to the asteroid field where we're going to mine some iron ore. So what we want to do next is dock ourselves, dock the mining drone, and then we need to refuel that mining drone, which is all going to be new, and then we put it back into orbit, start extracting some ores, and then we can figure out how we can sell this cargo and complete our first contract. All right, so let's get prepped. Just comment that out. So we want to refuel. How are we going with time? 117 seconds. So our mining ship symbol, let us capture that. 69 seconds. How convenient. All right, we will be docking. We will be refueling. What else will we be doing? Posting. Then we're going to be putting it back into orbit. Dock, refuel, orbit, cool. And what else are we doing? And then we're going to tell the guy, the little drone, to extract once it's in orbit in the asteroid field. This is just, I didn't need to copy the entire thing. All right, how are we doing for time? It's currently located at its destination. Awesome. That means we can dock. All right, let's dock. No, I did it wrong. Because it's a formatted string. And it needs that. Happy? Happy. Status is now docked at the asteroid field. Right. Cool. Now that you are docked, you are now going to refuel. Same problem. Formatted string. All right, let's preemptively fix up. I don't even know how much money I've got. All right, agent, we have 243,000 credits. Fuel current capacity is 100, consumed 38. And so we purchased 122 credits worth. Nice. Seems like we have enough credits. All right, let's chuck this guy back into orbit and get him working to repay the fuel. All right, we'll put him into orbit around the asteroid field. All right, you need to stop earning me some money. All right, we are now extracting. So what is this saying? Extraction, cooldown, cargo, ice water, fresh water. But we want iron, don't we? I wonder if I'm missing something. Your mining drone is equipped with a mining laser which can be used to extract ores and minerals from the asteroid field. You can extract ores by sending a post request to the extract. After extraction, your ship will be on a cooldown, and you won't be able to extract again until the cooldown expires. Let's do that. Let's send another request. Ship action is still on cooldown for 10 seconds. So if I do that again, oh no, I must pass the cooldown. So we've got fresh water, and it is currently extracting iron ore. Symbol, cooldown. Really? Cool. Ice, water. Let's clear that and run it again. Ship action is still on cooldown for 32 seconds. Alright, let's go back to the docks. What's happening next? We need to sell cargo. Nice. After a few extractions, your cargo will likely be filled with ores and minerals that you may not need for your contract. You can sell your cargo at nearby marketplace to unload those goods and earn some credits. Which is, yeah, we've got fresh water, which we could probably sell. All right, let's grab this. Come on. Why are you not playing nice? Listing ship cargo. That sounds convenient. All right. Let's use that. That is just a GET request. It seems like I've been ignoring the codes, not the codes, but the HTTP methods. Maybe it hasn't actually mattered. Post, they've all been posts. Cool. Maybe I would have gotten an error if I did use a different one. All right, we're jumping around a bit. Let us check our cargo. Mining ship symbol is this. Let's see what we got. Sorry, clear the screen. Let's do that again. We have ice water. We have a capacity to hold 30 things, 30 units. We have 3 units of ice water and 5 units of ore. I would actually like to check my contract and see what we actually need to, how much we need to grab. So I want that. Let's take a look at our contract to see how much iron ore we need to grab. Procurement. Units required. Okay, that's a lot more units than I actually have, which makes me think that we'll need to do that a number of times. What is that? 11,100. We've got 5. Okay. Maybe we'll just go sell that water. Let's do that. We're going to the market. I need to double check if this is actually a post. Asteroid field waypoint market. Sorry. We need our asteroid field waypoint. There is a market nearby. This is a, no, it's just a GET request. All right. Let's see what this is going to tell us. I have not done this correct. System symbol. Poorly named by me. All right, that is a lot of information. Wow. Oh, I know why. Sorry. Because the buffer on that terminal has a lot of information. Let's just create a new terminal. All right. So this is the marketplace in the asteroid field. There's an exchange. So it sounds like people are interested in ice water, quartz, sand, iron ore, copper ore. I'm assuming that's all of the things people are interested in. These are the latest transactions. So we can see this Lenny. What's Lenny up to? He's selling 60 units of water. Bunch of transactions. Trade goods. Oh, purchase price, sell price. Okay, so we can see the market. We can see how much things you'll pay for. If you want to buy silicon crystals, it's going to cost you 18 credits. I'm assuming that's per unit. And then sell price is 7 credits per unit. And it's an abundant supply. Cool. So we want to sell our ice water. We're going to be selling here. I'm assuming it's going to be purchased from us at 16 units. Let's find out. All right. List to ship cargo. Sell goods. All right. So right now we are not docked. So we need to do that. Was that a GET? No, it was a post. Excuse me. Let's also grab that. Oh no, we'll leave that. Let's just dock. Keep it simple. done this before. I am curious though, can I just get that ship's state by just hitting that endpoint? Let's take a look. Oh. Sorry, folks. This route does not exist. Does this route exist? It does. Here we go. So it's holding 5 units of that, 3 units of ice water. Capacity is 30, so what, that contract wanted 11,000? We probably need to like buy a few more of these drones really to actually make it. Cool. Status is in orbit. That's what I wanted to know. Its current destination. Route destination. I guess we can look at the current waypoint symbol to actually figure out where it is. And then we can actually list the asteroid field if we were doing printing to this to the screen. In orbit, cool. Let's dock. Because I want to sell. Docked. Excellent. Let's make that a little bit easier. All right, listed our cargo, we've docked. Let's now sell. So it's just my ships, the drone, sell. Data, let's copy the data. Endpoint is sell. We're posting, oops. Let's just call that sell cargo. Come on. I don't want to sell my iron ore yet, because that will not help with the contract. I can just look up here, can't I? Come on, history. Tell me. I don't know where I'm looking. Let's just print out the cargo again. I don't want all of your information. I just want the cargo, please. Symbol is what I want. Just double checking. Ice water, ice water. We have 3 units. I'm going to sell 3 units. Yeah, interesting. That units is a string. That's fine. All right, one last check of the docs just to double check. Yep, so we specified that we want to sell the water. The response, we'll read that in a sec. All right, let's do it. You go away. Did it again, did I? What did I do? I didn't even pass in the data. How silly. Fair enough. Complain about that. All right. Prints our agent information, cargo. That's our capacity. We are now down to 5 units. So this is, I guess, yeah, what we now look like. We only have iron ore. Price per unit was 12, which I think was the sell price. I think the purchasing price was slightly higher. All right. Sold 3. We got 36. I can't remember what my credits were before, but I must have gotten 36 more credits. Nice. Making money after spending a lot. What's happening next? Last steps. All right. Navigate to delivery waypoint. When you've mined a full cargo hold, we have not done that in your contract, you can send your ship to the delivery waypoint to deliver goods on the contract. We can't do that yet. That's a shame. All right, well, maybe here is a good stopping point. So we've managed to go through a number of API calls. We've gone all the way through creating ourselves a new agent, getting ourselves a mining drone, sending that mining drone to the asteroid field. That mining drone then extracted some ice water and some iron ore. We then went to the market in the asteroid field to sell off the water so that we had more capacity to extract iron ore. All right, I think next time we'll actually start looking at how we can automate this a bit. Possibly we need to purchase some more mining drones to be able to actually fulfill that contract, because just doing that with one, that is going to take a very long time. So we might need a small army of these mining drones to actually be able to fulfill that first contract. But yeah, that's where we got up to. And I think we'll just leave it there. So thanks for watching. Look out for the next video, and hopefully, yeah, we'll finish a contract for once.